Alright, welcome everybody back to the Loose Juice channel. I'm your faithful host, the Loose Juice! Yay! And today, if you couldn't tell by the title of this video, which I don't know what the title is going to be yet, but you couldn't tell, going on a road trip. I can say that at the very least. So, currently heading to Ohio, go hang out with my homies there in Ohio. Yes. So we're going to Ohio, doing Ohio shit, and then, as you will see later in the video, we're going to go to ThrottleCo tomorrow. So tomorrow being Saturday the 22nd. And we're going to ThrottleCo because there's going to be a Meet Rainy Rider event sponsored, or, hosted by ThrottleCo. So we got Rainy Rider, Aaron, obviously, nothing at random. He's going to be there. That's kind of his home turf. And then, although I'm privy to some information, I'm assuming that 7 Sentinel will make it. And then, if that all goes well, then continue the fun by heading down to Kentucky. Where at in Kentucky, you may ask? Florence, y'all. Heading down to see Father Bobber and, oh gosh, now I forgot her Instagram handle, but Steph. They recently got married. Woo-woo! So we're going to go hang out with them and party. And that means hanging out with Whiskey Chaser and Parker the Coyote. So they are, as of recording right now, they're on their way there right now. So again, it's Friday, but they're heading to Father Bobber's today. Rainy Rider is actually just about to leave Father Bobber's today to head to Columbus. And then we're gonna have a great time Saturday, and I'll pack my shit up and leave. Head back to my parents' place on Sunday so I can pick up Ranger Dog, and then maybe I'll head on all the way home to Michigan. I don't know. To be determined. So yeah, let's how about we speed warp ahead, and at some point you will get some B-roll. I haven't turned it on yet, but I pulled out the old Kodak Pix Pro. We're gonna get some B-roll for this trip. We're gonna have a great time. Sound good? Alright. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. You know all the good stuff. Do all that. So I'm in the great state of Ohio. Really, I'm hesitant to say great. I am in Ohio. I'm inside you. Bruh. Actually, in 3, 2, 1. Now I'm inside you. How does that feel, Ohio? Do you like that? Do you like the way the juice feels inside you? Anywho, I've still got, I don't even know. I don't have a watch, and my phone's in my pocket, so I don't really know how much longer. But it's probably like 2 hours, I think. I don't know. It's been a great ride. I don't know, I hit some traffic, but traffic is traffic. I mean, I don't know. But yeah, I think I've got like another 100 or something miles. Something like that. Get that knocked out and get on with the fun. And sound good to you? Sounds good to me. Alright, I'll check in with you in a bit.
Alright, I made it to Ohio, and I found these cool freaking bikers too. So I'm gonna go inside and see if there's bikers inside here.
Good times, good friends. What could be better?
Wild card, bitches! Yeah!
Real bikers in the wild, doing a wild hogs tour of the liquor section at a Kroger.
Hey, good morning, everybody. It is Saturday. I think I may have jumped ahead a little bit, but an interesting update I'll talk about later. But we're at ThrottleCo for the coffee and whatever, kickstands and coffee and Meet Rainy Rider. So other people are over there doing stuff. I'm over here looking at bikes. I like bike.
Look who finally shows up. But she did bring food. Just two chicks on a bike. Look at Aaron though. Look at Aaron. Look at Aaron. So confused. Who cares? Who cares about the girls on the bike?
It's like everybody gets to beat it.
So, we've been hanging out drinking coffee, but we just have some Shade Tree Army royalty arrive. Let's go say howdy. Give them the old howdy. Dude. Well, howdy. Say hi to the camera. I was just introducing you as the, your Shade Tree Army royalty. So, we're gonna hang out now. All right, sit rep. We're back at Aaron's after going to ThrottleCo, went out to lunch, and then we had to go to Faro Harley Davidson for a very specific reason. And that reason is having to do with my bike. Let me show you. So we were getting ready to leave this morning, and my bike done dropped a cylinder. Let's see if it still is dropped. Actually, maybe not. Maybe I just check the spark plugs first before I potentially add more damage. But yeah, we lost the cylinder. So that could be a few different things. Originally, we thought maybe it's a stuck intake valve. I'm hoping it's just a spark plug or something simple. We'll do the oil change the spark plugs, and then hopefully this thing runs. So let's get into it.
All right. You're gonna have to convert to like a new one. So we're out in the garage. Starting with spark plugs. One looks that it's. He's recording right now. Where'd the other one go? So this one was from our rear cylinder. That's no good. That looks pretty burnt, and the gap is questionable. This one also has a similar size gap, but we're gonna throw fresh plugs in, see if that's maybe that's the easy fix. Hey Aaron, cool it. All right, let's see if this fixed it. Still 1 on 1. Oh, I thought you said cut it. You might be starting. One cylinder all the way home. Yes, I'm.
What's the status on the Road King? It's dead. Yeah. What do you think?
Sucker's dead.
It's dead? I unfortunately also agree. We think that maybe it's cam chain timing. Maybe it jumped the chain, and it put it out of timing. So this is gonna shut her down. Had to lay her down this weekend. And God bless. God bless.
All right, so we've admitted defeat. We're just gonna get a big stuff, but that's where it's gonna have to stay until I can come back and fit it, or whatever the hell we're gonna do with it. These things to read in Japanese help me kind of walk through the diagnostic process. But it's potentially going wrong with it. We did rule out several things. It wasn't just spark plugs. It was just spark plug boots. We reflashed the ECU, so it's probably the cam timing or something. So timing's out. It's not going to fire on full. We can sometimes get it to fire on full, but never on full. So that sucks, but I'm not going to let it ruin my weekend entirely. Let's go hang up with friends.
So it's Sunday. I haven't recorded shit, but unfortunately, this is how we're gonna leave. Back in the fucking RAV, got my shit loaded up, and then I have to leave my Harley Davidson in Aaron's garage.
This is now a 2-bike garage.
It's a 1.5 bike because it doesn't run. Road King, more like Trash King. How dare you? How dare you leave me stranded? All right, folks, that's gonna do it for this episode. I'm back in Michigan. I took a brief trip to my parents' house after Aaron graciously met my dad halfway between, you know, from Ohio to Indiana, Northwest Indiana, but it's Monday. Just got back. I've got to unpack and then do chores, and then later this week I'll be back in Ohio. So look for a part 2 and probably many parts after this once I get the Road King back here, because I promise you it's not here. I had to leave it in Ohio. So I don't know how it's gonna go, but I know it's gonna cost money because Harley Davidson. So on that bombshell, keep it juice.
Emotional damage.